So I went ahead, finished up soldering that, hooked the BMS back in. Everything fits solid. Fish. I did add a little bit of fish paper behind the BMS there. I don't know if that's required or necessary. Bad idea, good idea. So somebody do it. Thought it couldn't hurt. And then when I went to looking harder at the website there, I think it recommends putting some fish paper behind this too. Since I've already got that board out and we're to the point where I'm pretty sure I've got everything more or less wired correctly, I am going to go ahead and let's move this one here so we can move all this out of the way. So ideally you should have done this a long time ago, because now it's going to be a whole much more of a pain in the ass. But I want to clean right there. Real good. Journal it down before I put down the thermal pad, just so it has a nice connection. And then we'll go ahead and tie everything down for real. Those screws are too long, but the old ones work with the washer, so I think we're still set. Okay, so I'm going to try to be not quite as aggressive in taking out the supports here. I don't know, probably cutting this is the same as going all the way across, but I just kind of marked it up where I'm thinking it really needs to come out. And this is what I've got. I mean, it's still ugly, but as far as placement, I think I know you're supposed to keep the Bluetooth as far away from the phase wires as possible, but it's just, unless I tape it right there. Okay. Thinking I should probably go ahead and just start attaching things for real. Hey, I just noticed on 4Full's site that he's showing the correct way to hook up the momentary switch now, and I did it wrong. That's why I couldn't get it to work still. When I was out looking to try to figure it out, I noticed that there's a switch button, or not button, an SW right here on this 4 or 5 pin connector, and that should need to go over to the switch on the UBox. SW from the lighting control, go to the UBox SW right here, which is going to be the green wire right there. Okay, so I need a 4-pin connector with just the one. I believe that I got one. Okay, so this is your power button, and switch should be way the fuck over here. And it's supposed to be RNG. I don't know what the fuck that means. I think the other one is wrong, but I'll have to look at that and see. 1,000 to 1,000. Push and hope. Oh, it works. Sweet. .5. Red is to red, black is to black. Okay, the first real test with the future motion battery and making sure that my weld is good enough. Take that off over there so I can watch for a spark over there too. I really thought about putting a 90 on there, but I shouldn't be doing that too many times. Okay, I did not see a spark at the BMS, at least. And we still power up. Battery 57.7. It's more tucked and permanent, but I'll try to get this lid done now. I'm thinking I'm just going to mount these two modules on the lid itself. Okay, so I had a couple of problems. One was I was using the wrong bit, and two, the angle I was trying to film at wasn't good for the extender there. When I switched to this, what's supposed to cut through tile, it cuts through it like butter. Abrasive does hardly anything, and neither does metal. Guessing it's just because this is definitely polycarbonate. I'm pretty sure that stuff is incredibly strong, so diamond bit is the easiest bit to use that I've found so far, at least. I mean, that Still think I took enough off for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take this whole rail off. I don't think it's needed. Fault. Let's see if I can see the footpad sensor.